Hey peeps, how is everyone doing? So I'm coming to you from my kitchen. Today we are going to do a slow cooker, aka crock pot stew. So in my pot I already have potatoes, carrots, and green onions. You see all those green bits. And then I took some Clubhouse La Grill vegetable seasoning, and that's what you see sprinkled on top. So I sprinkled, it's like the equivalent of a teaspoon of this sprinkled on top. For my carrots, I took three carrots, peeled them, chopped them. For the potatoes, these were some small potatoes that I got. Let me show you my bag. These potatoes I got at the farmer's market yesterday, so I took half of the bag, so it was 6 of them. They were all around this. They are all around the same size. I took them. They're already thin-skinned, and the farmer was telling me if you're making a stew, you don't need to peel them. So she said, cut them up. So I cut them lengthwise and then in 3. So one potato gave me 6 pieces. And I placed them in the, oh, you always wash them first, right? You wash your potatoes, then you cut them, and I placed them in my crock pot. Last night, I stopped by Super C, and they had pork chops on sale. So I took bought a package of chops, took 4 of the chops, and cut them up. Obviously, I washed my meat with lemon juice and vinegar, just to make sure you know it's clean. Then I cut them up, and I also left in the bone because the bone will give the stew like a nice flavor. So I seasoned up my meat. I use Mama T's amazing green seasoning, and one day I'm gonna have to go over there and record that so you could see the whole process of having it made. So I use 2 heaping tablespoons of green seasoning, green onions. In the green season, there's already like garlic, so I didn't include any garlic. I did use some garlic powder, onion powder, and there's some cloves in here somewhere, some whole cloves in here. So I mixed that all together. Put this in the fridge overnight to marinate. So this is well marinated. So now I'm just gonna dump this in here, and I layer the items I'm putting in my crock pot. I did read somewhere that root vegetables like the potatoes and the carrots should be placed at the bottom of your pot because they take longer to cook. So the heat, this is slow cooking, so the heat will start from the bottom and rise to the top. So that's why I placed the root vegetables at the bottom, and then I'm placing my meat on top. So I have my meat, and well, once everything starts to like get cooking and everything, I also have my homemade vegetable stock that I will put in here. Maybe I'll just like microwave it, defrost it, and slowly add some in and pour it in. So I'm going to leave this concoction on low, my low setting, for 6 hours. And then we will have a nice stew. I'll probably have to put a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up a little bit, but I will see. So putting on the lid, and there we go, guys.